Hey you guys, what's up? I hope you're fine. For today's episode, we're gonna be talking about the top 7 dark horse for the Miss Grand International. Without further ado, let's now begin at my number 7. She's none other than Malaysia, Viviana Lynn Winston. 26-year-old, well, she's a TV host, model, a coach, student, beauty queen. She's a confident woman, great in the runway, and I love her kindness in herself, the character, the personality. I saw it in her, and of course, she stands strong. She got those charisma. I am rooting for her placement at the top 20. Number 6 on our list is Nepal, Trasika Singh Thakuri. 18-year-old, well, she's very pretty, and she also got those slim physique, and I believe she can slay at the runway at the MGI, and I encourage you guys to support this wonderful woman because she is great at such a young age. She's composed and has the confidence in herself. So I wish for her placement too, and I'm hoping for her that she can advance at the top 10. Number 5, we have Tanzania, Beatrice Alex Akio. 25-year-old, well, she's a wonderful African woman, full of confidence, and every time she walks on the runway, she is relaxed, full of charm and eagerness, and so composed in herself. And also, she never forget to bring that smile, and her waistline, she's so stunning, so sexy, incredible. I can feel her that she's one of the greatest dark horse for this batch. 4th on our list, we have Laos Sirisopa Fima Kaisoni. 25-year-old. Well, this Laotian woman is just underrated, and although she got less followers in her Instagram, well, I can feel in her presence, her vibes, and also her presentation is very good. She's excellent. She got those perfect body too. Great style. I wish the judges will see her beauty and also the effort that she is doing at the competition. And good luck to you, my dear. 3rd on our list, we have Ghana, Faith Maria Porter. 26-year-old. Well, this woman gave me the goosebumps. She got those vibrant, rich skin color. She's enjoying. I like her, and every show that she gave, well, she got those perfection from head to toe, and the way she said, Ghana! Well, she's so incredible, and I wish her that she can advance at the top 10, and why not at the top 5. 2nd on our list, we have Czech Republic, Marketa Morvikova. 21-year-old, well, this Czech woman is a darling. I can feel her. She's top 10, by the way, at the Miss Czech Republic 2022 and top 5 at the Miss Grand Intercontinental Wawin Resort. She got those great catwalk too, that projection, the height, that body, that brain. I can feel this Czech woman can have a nice spotlight at the Miss Grand International, and why not bring that top 5 placement again at the MGI. But my number 1 dark horse that I didn't include in my leaderboard is Venezuela Nariman Bathika. 30-year-old, she's the winner of the Miss Grand Intercontinental Wawin Resort. Congratulations to you, my dear. She's a model, economist, and she's the winner of the Reina Hispano-Americana 2018 and top 10 Miss Supranational 2018. And she stands 5'11" tall. Well, she's great. She got those looks, and her style is just excellent. She got those consistent, perfect wardrobes, that style, that elegance in her. Well, I can feel Venezuela is a strong contender in this edition, and why not? She can bring Venezuela's 2nd Miss Grand International Golden Crown. So that's it, my friend. Those were my top 7 dark horse for the MGI 2025. If you have your thoughts, please share it right now in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next videos. God bless you always.